Dear Zimbabweans, things are slipping out of control. Emmerson Mnangagwa's latest actions make it clear he is consolidating ZANU-PF not to strengthen the party, but to manipulate the constitution. Every peg, every demotion, every reshuffle is calculated to remove those who refuse to endorse his dangerous push for term extension. Sabina mashoko ari kuanalyze panapa chonko kunze aiwa these guys panguva ine vari kuuya vachita mapegs panguva ino ekusapota their move to consolidate power beyond 2028. Kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa pahendo yatinashe madondo anobuda chikomenda achiti once the dissenting voices of silenced, nothing will stand in his way. And when one man becomes more powerful than the constitution itself, the nation is lost. We cannot afford to wait for politicians to save us. We, the citizens, must act now. United, organized, and loud, our strength lies in refusing to let tyranny disguise itself as party unity. That is why we have launched these petitions to demand Mnangagwa's resignation, to protect term limits, to secure free and fair elections, to call for a genuine national dialogue, and to restore rule of law. If you care about Zimbabwe's future, add your voice. Silence only helps dictatorship. Ndo mashwari kuda panguva ine vanachiti aiwa sema citizens panguva ine ashari miri mapolitician, but let us rise up. Aiwa noda kuti at the end of the day tisinozosara tichisafa. Let us rise up, tifight zviganainda, tizvipush out. Noda kuti tikasadaro aiwa our future will be destroyed. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ine atikuna mavoices now they are rising up vachiti kana uchida kuti nyika yeZimbabwe kana une love I want the future Zimbabwe. If you care about the future Zimbabwe, come and add your voice. Panguva ino itivise zvikananda. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.